What's going on, everybody? It's Enosh with Bob's Power Wash, and once again, you see we working hard. As some of you may or may not remember, in celebration of our 1 year in business, we're doing a free driveway giveaway, and y'all be waiting to see the winners. Where it's at, where it's at, where it's at. Listen, when I make a promise, I follow through. A lot of people weren't responding. The people that put the application in for it. But finally, we got one of them, and we got it set up and scheduled for today, and here we are. As you can tell, definitely needs a lot of work, a lot of TLC, tender love and care, but I promise you, once this transformation is over, it's gonna look crazy, okay? The whole neighborhood's gonna be jealous, okay? Appreciate you guys for watching the journey and sticking with the boy, and once again, man, stay tuned for the transformation, you feel me? All right. Hold on, I just want to show y'all work in progress, right? Y'all saw how it was all black right here and nasty. I didn't put the surface cleaner on here yet. Just Kim, and look at it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Crazy. Let's keep going. Sheesh. Oh yeah, this all came out real nice. All right, we finished up. Now I'm about to go knock on the door, ring the doorbell, and we're gonna get her reaction live. Okay, y'all ready? Ready for the transformation?
Yeah.
Close your eyes, close your eyes. 3, 2, 1, look. How's it looking?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh
Uh-huh.
looks so good. Oh my god, all that stuff is gone.
Uh-huh.
So clean.
Yep,
Thank
yep.
you.
Touch up the wall too. Really, you gotta repaint this out there.
Well, yeah.
Let's look at the rest. Let's check the rest out.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. It looks like a whole new driveway.
Big transformation. Big difference. Big difference. Yeah. It was it's something too. It's something. I'm clean. I'm like, dang. Okay. Yeah. It still gives me. I do this all the time, and every time it's like the first time. Yeah. Especially the sidewalk. The sidewalk was really bad. And look at that. Of course.
It was so dark.
Yeah. I'm sending you the pictures too, the before and after this.
Okay.
Crazy.
It's lovely.
You should have been calling me. But you lucky you got it for free. This was the winner. My lovely client Rochelle here, the winner of the driveway giveaway. Y'all thought I was scamming, I was lying. No, it was real, okay? It just took a little time. The holiday season, you know, everybody busy, okay? But as you can tell, it was worth the wait. You think so?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Appreciate you so much, man. Ah.